Hello again, this is Ozzy from Ozzy's Auto Repair in Wyckoff, New Jersey. We have this Toyota Corolla and it has a code P0171. It's got lean fuel trim codes, and looking at the data, fuel trim data on this car, short-term fuel trim is 10 and long-term fuel trim is negative 0.02. So we're looking at this short-term fuel trim here is 12, 14 is actually going up as we speak, and this is caused by a like an air intake leak. And to confirm that, what I did is simple. When the engine is nice and cold, you start it up real quick. These gaskets will go bad, intake gaskets go bad. You get a ethanol, brake cleaner spray, anything like that. You spray it around the intake and you see the engine is idle dropping, and the engine starts to hesitate and starts to shake. You won't see it on the camera, but I can see it. It's vibrating right now. The engine is vibrating. You can see it's vibrating. As I spray this ethanol, I'll spray this, engine RPM drops. And also the fuel trim, short-term fuel trim goes negative. Goes negative means rich. You see that it just went negative. That's running rich. Rich is running rich because we have ethanol. We're spraying extra gas into the cylinder and it's running rich. And so we need an intake manifold gasket for this truck, for this car. Okay, we got this intake manifold out of this car. And as you see, the gaskets are so worn out. It's like flat. It is flat. It's not sealing properly, and it's causing an extra air to enter into the cylinder, and it's causing uneven air fuel ratios, and it's causing a misfire and causing lean codes 171, 174, and here we got. It's all flat. It's all flat. So we're gonna take this off and install the new one. And we'll put the new gasket in. Now you can see the difference. I see how it's sticking out. It should be sticking out just like that, right there. It should be sticking out just like that. And then we're just gonna put this back. Now we're gonna clean this up over here and put it back, and that's just gonna be 100%. Thank you for watching Ozzy's Auto Repair. There we go. Did a drive cycle on the Toyota. 65 miles an hour for 3 minutes cruising, and slow down without pressing the brake. We got every monitor ready on the car. Oxygen sensor is ready. EVAP is not ready, we don't care. I'll be ready tomorrow. Catalytic converter is ready. Components, misfire, everything is ready. And check engine light is off, and there is no codes. So, and the car is ready, and we'll pass inspection. We will put the sticker on it today. And most importantly, the check engine light did not return. It did not come on. The car is ready, it's all good, and it's passed inspection, and that means its repair is 100%. So, yep, the repair is 100%. The car is all good to go. And we're gonna pass the inspection, everything is good. Thank you for watching. Bye.